Hi, David again from Synergy. A quick video on how to lift the machine properly, not hurting your back. So put your hand, right hand on the tread bar, left hand on the lift point, lift it up like that, onto its nose. It's now stable. This will go down. You can tuck that out of the way, up in there, completely clear now to go and load the holders. So the holders, special shape, can only go in one way. Locate it and tighten the nuts above. Repeat the other two arms and you've safely loaded your machine. To get it down again, bring this arm back, hear the click and lower it. Now all the weight is on this hand. I'm not stretching for the handles up there. I can lower it down straight back. It's now safely back on the ground.